Hidden apps can sometimes make it confusing when you can't find important applications on your phone. This video guide will help you quickly unhide those apps and bring them back to your home screen or app drawer using simple settings on your Android device. To begin, unlock your phone and open the settings menu. You can do this by swiping up on the home screen to access the app drawer and tapping the settings icon. On some devices, you can also long press an empty area on the home screen and select settings for faster access. Next, scroll through the settings menu and tap on the home screen option. This section controls how apps and layouts appear on your device. Inside home screen settings, look carefully for an option called Hide Apps on Home and Apps Screens, or simply Hide Apps depending on your phone model and software version. Now, you will see a list of currently hidden applications. These apps are not deleted, they are only hidden from view. To restore any app, tap the -bishuo icon or uncheck the app from the hidden list. This will immediately mark the app for restoration. After selecting the apps you want to unhide, make sure to confirm your changes. Tap the Done or Apply button at the bottom of the screen. This step is very important because without saving, the apps will remain hidden even if you have selected them. Once completed, exit settings and return to your home screen or app drawer. Your restored apps should now be visible and ready to use again. Keep exploring for more Android tips and hidden tricks to improve your phone experience. Thanks for watching.